Yes, we buck up on a yam here.
Nice roasting yam.
Nice yam where we're going to roast.
Yeah.
So we need some yam to roast. So we're going to cut this one here. Short and thick.
Yes, man.
This is a nice roasting yam, very stout.
Yes. Only one piece we are going to do, Scotty?
Yeah, you have a small one on it and we don't want to take it out of it.
Okay, I cover it
So
back.
we're going to leave that one whenever time we're going to plant. We need a piece of yam to put in a pot so we can come to this slice here.
We are going to plant and run a boat.
Yeah.
So this is the piece of yam.
Yeah, we're going to another piece.
Oh yeah, dig one piece, more piece.
Yeah, to put in it.
This is the piece that we got so far. Make it drop.
Yeah, I get a little piece more. Just to put with that.
So we can have two nice roasting yam.
If you notice we plant them 2 vine.
Yes.
So if we need the whole 2 vine, we take the whole 2 vine from it.
Right.
Each will have two head. So like this now we have 2. We're going to take out 1 and leave back 1. Because we don't necessarily need the 2.
Yes. Gone all the way down. Yep.
So we have 2 nice pieces of yam we can roast here.
Yes. Yellow yam. Oh, red ants.
Yeah.
Red ants almost bite me. Yeah, so now we're gonna roast this yam with some saltfish.
Yes, we're about to put in the yam. Because we don't want it to go down too low. So we put in a little piece first. And then we put in a big piece. We put it on the back. Okay. So we have them in the fire now.
Roast yam.
When you beat it,
Mm-hmm.
you get it soft. Big one. Starts getting big.
So what he's doing is scraping off the skin of the yam.
No, make it eat it up.
Professional yam roaster.
So I want it white.
Yeah.
Some roast it, I don't want it burn. And get too burny. So I roast it white, can scrape proper white color. And can beat. You can eat the skin.
Yeah. Because I like to eat the skin just like the Irish potato.
Yeah, because most people roast it and they can't eat the skin, it burns. So eventually you have to use a knife to cut out it. We're going to use it now. You roast it properly so that you can scrape properly.
Yeah. That's one chunky yellow yam.
Yes. Shan, how do you know that this big yam roast?
Yeah. I don't know. Because
the weight.
the weight,
Yeah.
it gets heavier.
It's also light.
Oh, it gets lighter.
Yeah. When it's heavy.
It's not road.
Yeah. Exactly.
Oh, the water so cold and the weight goes down.
So when beat it, if it beat and it don't break, it don't roast.
Yeah.
You know what people want? You're not drying.
What? This yam is airy.
You see, too it hot, you can't put it up there, hold it.
Yes.
That's hot.
Yeah. Eating it, what were you doing?
It's supposed to break.
Oh,
It's supposed to break.
okay. So you need a little more time.
Yes, yeah. So if you want to eat that, you can eat that until that's ready.
Okay.
So you don't
Well, maybe eat this other one, yeah,
Yes,
scotch,
yes.
because me can't wait for that
Yeah, so
one.
you don't wait till it's cold.
Roast yellow yam.
Right.
Show them the saltfish, show them the saltfish.
We have the saltfish here.
Roast saltfishes.
Yeah, right here we have the saltfish. We are scraping off a little of the salt. We're going to use the salt to put the salt the yam, but we don't want the extra salt, so we scrape off a little bit of the salt.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have some beautiful ackee here. We
Yep.
have 2, 3. We have the bigger tree with white.
Yes.
And this one kind of yellow.
Orange.
Yeah. But they're nice also. The two of them can put together and cook well beer. I pick a whole lot yesterday and right now it's ready to pick.
Again.
Ready to pick again.
Because we give Miss Estella a lot.
Yeah, we
Miss
got
Patrick.
a 104-year-old lady some yesterday and she's glad for it.
Yeah.
And we have a whole lot could pick today if we did want to pick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you guys, this yam that come out of my garden is so dry. It's so nice.
Yeah.
And the saltfish, roast saltfish is so good.
You can look through and see it right through and through.
Yeah,
Aki's on
where
the
you put
tree.
ackee on it?
Aki the right through pick. If you look on that bunch there, oh my God, look there. Nice. Look
And
at
these-
this.
These are my two ackee trees.
Oh, watch your clean and pretty. Clean and pretty, loaded, very loaded. And if you look on the tree, how it's small it be, and look the amount on the tree and look on the small it be.
Where
This
is it?
ackee tree, the second time it bear, and this time it bear the first. The first it ever bear so much. This SHAN yard is a very fruitful yard. Yam grow it, bear it, bear so excellent. Banana, excellent. Ackee also excellent.
Oh, they didn't see the banana that we chopped them, not true?
Yeah, right over there you can see the tree. If you look, you see the tree. Banana is still on it. You just take up a hand off of it, but we just break it, carry it down because they can't stay up the subject. But look at the ackee tree. Very loaded, very loaded, very loaded. Look at it. See? And look at the bunch over there. Look at a big bunch. Right round on it you can get ackee. If we did need to sell, we could sell to pass by who need it. We don't have to sell it. We give away and we eat. 2, 3. And the 2 tree open.
Yes.
Yeah. And we have about 2 other trees growing this side and we're gonna take them away. Because they are too close.
Yeah, it's too crowded.
Yeah, we don't want to get it like a happy farm. But this one here we don't want. Down until the ackee have come out. The reason why we put it on, we kind of hide the banana. Yeah. We don't want it to expose to nobody on the road. So the banana, very nice banana. We call it froggy.
Yeah, that's froggy banana.
Yeah, froggy. Yeah, and it's nice,
yep.
Soft. Yeah, because it don't well fit, so it's soft. It's like any boiling banana.
So you see, guys, I kind of just grow what I eat in my yard, and so most of what I would buy is like fish or chicken.
Yes.
But like ground provision,
you can find it. You can find
yeah, we can find it in the yard.
You can find it. Yeah. We're not talking about a whole truckload, but we can find what to eat and offer to somebody.
Oh yeah. The one red fruits up here, Scotty.
How you know that?
It's
right. You know you beat then how many see Rasta up there since morning?
See there. Come catch the one here, Scotty. But mine you drop in the hole.
Yeah, actually this morning.
Scotty gonna climb the sweet top tree.
Yes. Shan says she's Listen more.
See it over here. Whoa.
No, right, but it's open now.
Yes, it's a nice sweet sap. It's fit, it's almost ready.
This one's
by tomorrow it's ready, you know? This one too.
Like this one ready.
Don't pick that one yet. Most of them turn black. Like this one on the tree.
They said it's right. This is alright. This is what come out of the ground that we have for ourselves. This is shan ground. We have sweet potato and we have a little piece of yam that we get. We have cook some food. So we say we don't have to buy. We search, we go look what we find. We have sweet potato. This is a piece of yam.
This is a different piece of yam from which we didn't remember about.
Yeah. This is all different because this is a different ground this come from.
Yeah.
And all these sweet cassava come from shan ground. All these, everything, if you can look and see, they're freshly dig.
Yep.
Everything freshly. So we say we're going to cook something out of the ground that's very freshly.
And sweet potato
we
still
sweet potato
have.
that fresh.
Yep.
We have yam that fresh. We have banana that fresh and also cassava.
Yes. Yeah. Eat what we grow.
And we eat what we grow.
Grow what we eat.
All of these come from shan.
Yes.
This is the result of shan.
Yeah.
We got it a while ago. We go and cook
nice
it.
pumpkin.
Cook it. This pumpkin is very dry.
Yeah.
It is a melon looking pumpkin. Have green look and have curry look inside.
Yep.
Whenever time you cut it, we're gonna cut it. All these things, what we have here, freshly, we who plant it and we who dig it from our field.
Yeah.
And this is Shan, who is the owner for it.
Yeah. And of course, this is the other piece of yam, roast yam. And we're gonna drink some cereal juice with it. Yes, I made some cereal. Yummy. So you see, guys, we can actually plant and grow our own food in our backyard, front yard, side yard, wherever, because I was able to eat from my own farm, my front yard farm. I hope you enjoy my vlog. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, remember to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Keep safe.